Welcome to Max class. In this class, we do the sums given in exercise 1.6. Question number 1. Try to open my locked suitcase which has the biggest 5-digit odd number as the password comprising the digits 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8. Find the password. From the numbers, the odd numbers are 7, 5 and 3. Now we arrange the given numbers in descending order 8, 7, 5, 4 and 3. First we draw the place value chart and fill the numbers in descending order. 3 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, 8 in 10,000s place. Now we get the largest odd number 87543. This is the password key for the suitcase. As per the census of 2001, the population of 4 states are given below. Arrange the states in ascending and descending order of their population. Tamil Nadu. Population of Tamil Nadu 7 crores 21 lakhs 47,030. Population of Rajasthan 6 crores 85 lakhs 48,437. Population of Madhya Pradesh 7 crores 26 lakhs 26,809. Population of West Bengal 9 crores 12 lakhs 76,115. West Bengal is the first in population. Second is Madhya Pradesh. Third state is Tamil Nadu. Fourth state is Rajasthan. Now we arrange the states in ascending and descending order of their population. Descending order 9 crores 12 lakhs 76,115 is greater than 7 crores 26 lakhs 26,809 is greater than 7 crores 21 lakhs 47,030 is greater than 6 crores 85 lakhs 48,437. And in ascending order 6 crores 85 lakhs 48,437 is less than 7 crores 21 lakhs 47,030 is less than 7 crores 26 lakhs 26,809 is less than 9 crores 12 lakhs 76,115. Now ascending order in the states. Rajasthan is less than Tamil Nadu, is less than Madhya Pradesh, is less than West Bengal. Descending order West Bengal is greater than Madhya Pradesh, is greater than Tamil Nadu, is greater than Rajasthan. Question number 3. Study the following table and answer the questions. Year, number of tigers 1990 3,500, 2008 1,400, 2011 1,706, 2014 2226. Question number 1. How many tigers were there in 2011? Question number 2. How many tigers were less in 2008 than in 1990? Question number 3. Did the number of tigers increase or decrease between 2011 and 2014? If yes, by how much? First question. How many tigers were there in 2011? The answer is there are 1706 tigers in 2011. Second question. How many tigers were less in 2008 than in 1990? So now we find the difference between the number of tigers in 2008 and 1990. Number of tigers in 2008 equal to 1400. Number of tigers in 1990 equal to 3500. So the difference between 3500 and 1400 equal to 3500 minus 1400, we get 2100. So there were 2100 lesser tigers. Question number 3. Did the number of tigers increase or decrease between the 2011 and 2014? Number of tigers in 2014 equal to 2226. Number of tigers in 2011 equal to 1706. Difference equal to 520. Here 2226 is greater than 1706. So the number of tigers increased from 2011 to 2014. Yes, the number of tigers increased. 520 more tigers are there in 2014. Question number 4. Mullai Kodi has 25 bags of apples. Each bag there are 9 apples. She shares them equally amongst her 6 friends. How many apples do each get? Are there any apples left over? Number of apple bags equal to 25. Apples in each bag equal to 9. Total number of apples equal to 25 into 9 equal to 225. So apples shared among her 6 friends equal to total number of apples divided by number of friends. 225 divided by 6 equal to 37, and the remainder is 3. So among her 6 friends, each of them get 37 apples and 3 apples are left over. Question number 5. A poultry has produced 15,472 eggs and fits 30 eggs in a tray. How many trays do they need? Total number of eggs equal to 15,472. Number of eggs in one tray equal to 30. Number of trays needed equal to total number of eggs divided by eggs in one tray. 15,472 divided by 30 equal to 515, and the remainder is 22. So number of trays needed equal to 516, that is 515 plus 1 tray for remaining 22 eggs. Totally 516 trays are needed. Students, I hope you all have understood the sums. Thank you.